Target Trading Academy.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Dan O'Brien with Target Trading Academy, and I'm making a video tonight on November 8th, and I'm going to go over a lot of trades that were sent to me by my students today that use Carnac trading technologies and the Predator trading program. And I have a list of there's Steve, Kurt, Louis, Ed, Al, Paul, and Tom. That list of students brings us to 40 individual trades, 28 winners, 9 losses, and 3 break-evens. 40 trades submitted because it was a very volatile day today. So let's get started with Steve. Okay, Steve's first trade here was a long at 10.05 in the ES, and it's on the simulator. Now this is a reversal trading program where you see that there's a green zone here and a red zone up at top. That comes out when the program says that this should be a buying area. He went long and he got out his last piece at the selling area. Nice winning trade there, 10.05. Okay, at 10.52, the Predator zone comes out again. It trades for him there at the bottom of that range because it's also reading the tape, and he gets a nice runner there on his third one. So 2 great trades there with the Predator. Good job, Steve. Next up is Kurt. We have 1 trade, a trending program, and that is a short at 12.14 in the ES on the simulator for a quick winner. Good job. Right into one of those support zones we were talking about. Nice exit. Okay, Louis has a handful of trades here for us. Number 1, this is a short at 9.31. The exits there are a little too fast. Got to let that run out a little bit, but still a fast winner to be sure. Okay, next up, 9.35, we have a long at the bottom of this range. That was a loss. And then 3, this was really 1 trade here, a long exit, added back into it, and then got flat near the top of the range. So that was a winner. Still with Louis here, we have a long at 10 o'clock, and that was an exit that he made on his own. So when he saw this buy zone here, he went long and quickly got out, and unfortunately it would have been a wicked winner. He knows that he overthought it, overreacted, but it was a small loss, and it is what it is. He learned from it. Next up, still Louis. We have 2 trades here on the same screen. 14.36 for a winner. He's all out. He said this thing's still really going. The trending algo is coming up. The HFT guys are bullish and getting more bullish, so he bought again, and he let that last one ride. So good job, Louis. Altogether, 662.50, practicing on the simulator. Nice work. Okay, next up we have these 2 trades here are not counted because the other traders took these same trades. So on this one here at 14.42, so Ed got off to a late start, was a winner. Remember, we don't double count these. So at 15.28, a long and an exit, same price, that's break even, and then a long at 15.31 and a loss. And then we have a short at 15.56 for a winner, but again, you got to let those run out. It would have been a huge trade. But even still, nice practice, Ed. Up $500 for the day, and you only traded in the late afternoon. Okay, now we go to Al. These trades are in the micro ES, and they are on his live trading platform. The first one is a long here. Now that zone is gone. At the time of the trade, there was a light green zone, so that's another Predator trade, another winner there. And then that was gone, and then this is the trending trade, Carnac, and he has a winner. Well, he bought it here. It was going nicely, so he added to it and then caught the rest of it. Nice runner there. Again, in the micro ES, 86.25 early. Great work. 2 winners in his live account. Okay, speaking of live trades, we're going to roll into Paul here. These trades are all live as well. Let me adjust it for you here. Now he copied these all at the end, So you'll see that he's up $132.50 in the micros, which is excellent. His first 4 trades are losses, and his last 4 trades are winners. So let's check these out. 12.33, long and a loss. Small one, but still a loss. This is probably a max loser here, a long at 13.05 with a loss. A long at 13.09, a partial winner there, but when it was stopped out, that is bigger than the gain, so that's a small loss there. So that's 3. Here's a short at 13.54 for a loss. Now, this is important in several ways, because how many people trading your live account would have 4 losers in a row and keep going? Not many. His 5th trade is a short at 13.57, and that's a winner. And then another short at 14.07, and that's another winner. Those are, good. He's let it extend. The trailing stop's coming down, and he got out when the reversal, the machine learning said it should be going up, and it did each time. So good exits on those. So then he has 2 winners in a row. Now he has 2 more winners in a row, and this is the end for Paul, but let's check these out. At 14.21, it's a short, and the trailing stop takes him out way down here, which I believe is a 14-point winner. And then at 14.34, when the bars are blue, but the risk is also on his side, so the trailing stop is blue, unlike here when they're red. And the HFT are bullish, and the trending algo is bullish. He goes in. The program, Carnac, gets him in, the Pac-Man version, if you will, which is also reading the tape for him. And he doesn't get out until way up here. Now, he would have been filled right around the same. There's I think the point of control from market profile was up there. And what it was also was another 20-point winner. So for Paul, that's 2 days in a row where he's had a 20-handle runner in his live account. So think about this. He had 8 trades altogether, 4 winners, or I should say started off with 4 losers and ended with 4 winners. Now, most people who are first starting out trading are just hooked on what's your trading ratio? Do you make 80% winners or 90% winners? Well, this is proof right here. If you keep your losses small, if you're listening to this video, you've already heard this before, but this is proof positive right here. If you keep the losses small, don't let them get out of hand, and let the winners actually run, unlike some of the other examples you've already seen, Paul is actually doing it. Well, you can have 4 losers and 4 winners and still have a great trading day. All right, moving on. Okay, Tom. Tom is in the big market, the ES, not the micros. They're all in the ES, and all of these trades are live. 9.49 short for a winner. 9.50 short for another winner. 9.51, this is all together here. This is a long with like a 1 or 2 tick loss on one, and as he explained it to me, and then the rest were exited up here for actually an overall break even. And then another long here at 9.52, as you can see, for a small winner. Should have let it run. And then at 9.54, another long for a very small winner. That turns out that was a good exit, but if you let it run to the stop, you won't even have to rebuy. But a couple of super scalps there. Okay, moving on, 10.01, scaling in as it's going up in his direction and getting out for a winner. Okay, we have a lot going on here, as you can see. At 10.43, this is starting to buy in, and so a little profit. Maybe it's going against me, take a little off. It didn't collapse, add some more. So all of this, and then a little bit off, buy some more, and then scale out up here. So everything on the left here is actually one trade, just a big, a lot of trading around a position, really building a position and then trading around it at 1043 for a winner. And then you can see nothing's happening here. The market starts to go down. Machine learning's pointing down. The HFT are now gone from bullish when he started to bearish. So he's short and exits when it trades through the bottom of the channel, then comes back into it, and there's no range extension. So a nice short there at 1054 for another winner. Putting him up 1137.50 early in the morning in his live account. Okay, what you see here on the left was what we just looked at. We're not going to double count that, of course. And then at 1103, all of this here is together, and going short, got out of a little just in case it gets away from him. It's not. He starts adding some more, and then it's turning around. When you add up those together, that's a small loss. And then as it continues, this is a new trade here at 1108 long, scales out for a winner, and so that's a good job. Next up, this one's easy to read, scaling in the afternoon here, 1331 for a winner. And that was this, we just looked at that one right there. So this is new, 1335 long, and when you do all these, that one is break even. 1339 here is a winner. This is adding on to it and getting out, not separate trades, putting them up over $2,000 for the day. And then here at 1400 we have a long and a very small winner, and then at 1403 a short for a winner. And then at 1411 and 1413, these are split into two. So 1411, this is a short and a loss, and then he starts to buy it as it starts to go up, and he gets some of his money back there for a winner to end the day, putting himself up $2,512.50 for the day. Okay, that was one of the longer videos in a while because there was a lot of activity, a lot of action, a lot of trades going on out there. And the different trading programs that the clients use, you saw trending trades with the HFT and machine learning algorithms and more, and then the other program which draws support and resistance zones. And well, if you'd like to come and join the students who use those indicators where they swear by them and not at them, well, just contact us through our Facebook page or our website, and we'd be happy to get more information out to you. Until the next video, everyone, trade well.